All right, so I'm going to start off with the sari face up, and I've already steamed it. And I'm gonna take the first pleat from the side. You want to decide how thick you want the pallu, and this is gonna be the first pleat. I'm gonna do that, and this is the only fold that you kind of have to guess, and then I'm just gonna iron that down. And then what I'm gonna do is bring the other side of the sari to meet the edge that I just made with that first pleat and iron that down. And then I'm gonna open it up again, and I'm gonna work on the side of the sari closest to me on this side. So first what I'm gonna do is bring the edge of the sari to the middle line that I created. And the pleat is still intact, so the initial pleat is still intact. So you're actually bringing it to the middle there, like so. All right, once you're happy with it being lined up, you can also iron that down. And then I'm gonna fold forward on the line again. And then you want it to meet the middle line, and then iron that down as well. All right, so we've created half of the folds that we need. And when I open this, you're gonna see perfectly equidistant lines on one half of the sari. Now I'm gonna repeat this entire process on the other side. And then once you're happy with that edge being lined up with the folded edge, you're just gonna iron it down. Line it up again and iron down. And I'm gonna fold forward and then fold back. And then once you're happy, again, iron it all down. And congratulations, you just made your first pleat. And I'm just going to repeat that. So now there's this fold that I made before. I'm gonna pick up all of the sari, and I'm gonna fold forward on that fold and then fold back. And this is our second pleat. Fold forward and then bring all of the stack of pleats backwards. The more time you spend, the more perfect it's gonna be. So take that extra time. And then iron that down, and that is the final part to creating your entire pallu.